Hello, silvercoins stacker, and today we got unboxing for 3 parcels, nothing major, but hopefully something nice and I believe slightly different. Second invoice. Take them one on the side. So the first one, it's gonna be 1770 Patrona Bavaria. Is the talar. Got few of them as well. They're nice sizes. They slightly bigger than the 1 ounce. Just a little bit over, like 2 mil, I believe, or 3. But really bit of history. Other one, second invoice. And that's 1764. Another one. Purchased from a good friend of mine from Poland. Wrocław city. Reasonable price. I cannot say no. That's how it is with us guys. When we see something shiny, which we like it, we just go for it. Oh, careful camera. So this one is from Bullion dealer. And it is another gold. Half sovereign. Royal Mint 2024. And the capsule as well. Let me have a look. No, I'm not gonna do it now. Nah, do it later. But yeah, that's the another gold. So that's that one. And the other one is that's something for my little princess. Let it snow. She got a small collection of them copper rounds. So always when I do the shopping, when she sees something which she's like it, she say, Daddy, can I have one? Whoever got the kids knows you cannot say no. And the last bit is, oh yeah, one of my favorite designs of 2024. I need to admit, Royal Mint, they know what they're doing. They know how to design the coins, and they looks absolutely spot on. But quality control, yeah, I don't need to mention milk spots and the other bits and bobs. If they only change it, and I believe they will be top from the top. So yeah, that's everything for today's video. Almost forgot. Lots of questions. What is it? Unfortunately, my camera is too small, so the angle it's not catching. That's the little one. She say, because you got so many friends with the poker chip and everything, yeah? She say, I don't have the poker chip, but I wanna be on the video as well. So that's what she done for me. And she say, Daddy, remember? I want to see it on the video. So I need to figure out something which will be a bit more visible. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.